Well, Splatoon is so million times better than Fortnite. Yeah, and Splatoon was way, I don't know. So Splatoon is way too good. Yeah, way too good. Yeah. Huh? Alright, well, I think it's time for a magical event. Yeah. Okay. So, excuse me. Pig, what did you eat that? Oh, I just eat pizza for lunch. Oh, so disgusting, pig. Oops, sorry. Yes, and yes. Splatoon is 10000000000000000 times better than Fortnite. Yeah, Fortnite is the worst game. Yeah, this game looks awful. Yeah, and Splatoon is the best game. Yeah, it's really awesome. Yeah, and it's perfect. Let's see. I think I hear it. Yeah, I think I heard an airplane sound. Yeah, let's go see it. I wonder where the sound's coming from. Yeah, we'll never know. Hey, pig, get back here. Oh, sorry. I was just rolling. Oh. Alright, so let me know if we can see this. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Let's see what it is. Hey, look! Well, they're gone. Yeah, good. Yeah, so... now what? Alright, well, the windmill's stopping. Yeah, let's just get out of here. Alright.